So here we discussing the asset property. So start with the transaction. Transaction is a logical unit of work on database, an action or series of action that are being performed by a single user or application program which reads or update the content of database is that transaction. Atomicity. So asset property first is atomicity. It's A for all or null. The entire transaction takes place at once or doesn't happen at all. Second is consistency. So C for consistency, correctness of transaction. Integrity constraint must be maintained. So as we take the example, total before transaction 800, that is the addition of two entities 500 and 300, and total before transaction is same 800, and the given entity are 400 and 400. That's the consistency. And third is isolation. Isolated environment is there. So if transaction 1 and transaction 2 proceeding, then both are isolated. That is, T1 doesn't know about T2 and T1 executed in isolated. Transaction occur independently. So responsibility of a concurrency control system subsystem. Here isolation means both transactions are doing in a separate environment or they are isolated from each other. Last is durability. So effect of transaction are never lost. Means when done update permanent in database, once the transaction committed, update or modification of database are stored in return to disk and they persist even if system failure occur. Example, banking system failure. It's like when we done payment through UPI, so sometimes we got the message like transaction is done, and then we lastly got after 2 or 3 hours that transaction is done in from that account to that account. So that's the example of durability. Thank you.